Welcome to the class style from my house studios. I am happy to be sharing with you a bling out spice rack today. So guys, I have a three-tier rack that I found, and this is the class style. So I have a three-tier rack here, and guys, you know this thing is so plain. It's not nice. It's not even, So I decided I wanted to add something to it to make it a little more inviting. So had found some hard cardboard that I had there. This is from a box, and I decided, let me cut them and kind of stabilize this rack with the board, and then I'll decide what I will do next. So I took it to my table, and I have a jigsaw here with a blade, and I just inserted a new blade in it, and I'm going to be cutting where I marked off, and I'll cut 3 pieces of it. And I actually have some adhesive paper, wallpaper, that I had used, I think, in a drawer, and these are just end pieces. I love the pattern on it, guys. It's such an elegant black and gold, always looks good. And I decided I'm going to cover the board with it. And guys, this is a Craftilicious collab with our lovely CeeJ and a whole bunch of other ladies here to host for you this round. So guys, all the information to the playlist link is going to be in the description box, and do check out all these lovely presenters here and happy to share with you. So I just measured and marked where I want the pieces to be cut, and I cut them off, and this is the measurement. And what I did, I made a cut like a fitted sheet on the sides so that it's going to fit better. And I will just remove the adhesive paper and get that stick down in place, and it is going on really well and it looks neat. So I have 3 of them to cover, and I will just do that. And what I'm using, I am using the impact glue, and I also will be using my glue gun to get it adhered, so that it's going to be really stuck nicely. So I'm just coming in with the glue gun, and I am running it along the rack pieces, and I'm going to just rest the pieces down it and get it stuck. Now I still found that it was missing something, and I had some pieces of bling that I thought that I will just add to it. So I'm just adding it to the face of the pieces, and I think it looked so adorable. Guys, let me know what you think in the description box. And this is how it's looking. I mean, I was really blown away when I finished, and I placed it in my pantry, and I just added my spices to it. It really makes a difference. So guys, remember to do check out any description box for the playlist link. And this other one, this is we had a tea party, and this was the print that we used, and what I did, I just transferred it onto the board, and I'm going to cut that out because I'm going to make another piece for you. And I'm cutting right around the shape of the teapot. So my friends, by now you know I love to use gift bags to add to my pieces, and I have this lovely gift bag, and I thought that I would transfer the piece that I wanted from the bag onto the teapot. I'm covering the front and the back of the teapot, and I wanted to keep the words journey to the. So you're gonna see what I will be doing there. So what I'm doing, I'm sticking the bag that I cut out into the teapot onto the front and onto the back of it, and I cut out the word heart, but what I want to use from it is the TEA in the heart to finish off journey to the T. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm just adding the letters in, and I think it's looking so adorable. So I have some sticky tape. It has lovely patterns on it, and I'm going to just use that to flank at the bottom of it. I'm just drawing in the cover, the lid, and what I am doing, I'm just continuing adding on to the nozzle and finishing off the bottom so that it looks adorable. What I have here is something from a blouse that I had that I took out to use as a handle, and I thought it looked so cute. It will add such a lovely blingy look to the piece also, kind of like a genie in the bottle kind of feel. So I have some beads. I'm also going to be using them to stick onto this teapot to bling it out like my splice rack, and that's what I'm doing here. So guys, I would love to thank CeeJ, such adorable lady and friend, helpful, very, very helpful, and for having all of us host this collab together. It is a really wonderful thing she came up with, and kudos to you, C. So what I'm using, I'm just going through what I have to use as a holder at the bottom, and I ended up using this big ring, and the glue really holds it in place. I'm just going over with my Sharpie and darkening the words of on the bag, Journey of the Tea, and I'm just kind of going around and highlighting the edge of the teapot. You know, this idea just came to me, and I just thought this is going to be so fun in my kitchen, and I'm just adding a tea cloth onto it, and this is how it's looking, guys. Let me know what you think. I thought it looked so cute in my kitchen, and do try it. It's really easy pieces, and you know, it really makes a difference together with my bling out rack. And I'll see you soon, guys. Thanks again to C and the rest of the ladies. Do check out in the description box, and I'll catch you later. Bye, guys.